Are you looking for the top 5 best Dutch ovens revealed? Looking for the perfect Dutch oven but overwhelmed by all the choices? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Enameled Chef 5QT Dutch Oven. First up is the enameled cast iron Dutch oven from Enameled Chef. Priced at just $37.99, this 5-quart pot caught my attention with its elegant cream white finish and heavy-duty build. If you're after a reliable pot for baking bread or slow-cooking stews, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The 5QT capacity is perfect for family meals or batch cooking, allowing you to whip up deliciousness for everyone. Its enamel coating means no seasoning is required, which saves you time and effort, especially if you lead a busy life. Plus, it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can transition straight from the stovetop to the oven without a hitch. Many users rave about how easy it is to clean and how evenly it cooks food. With over 5,000 sold in just the past month, people clearly love this. Now, some folks have pointed out that the lid can feel a bit heavy, which might not be ideal for everyone. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking something hearty, that weight actually helps retain moisture and flavor, so I wouldn't let that deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional piece for your kitchen without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a larger capacity or a more professional-grade option.
Product number 2. Nuova 6.4 QT Dutch Oven. Next up is the Nuova Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven, a 6.4-quart beauty priced at $49.99. The dark blue color is striking, and if you're looking to add some flair to your kitchen, this could be the perfect option for you. This pot shines in its low maintenance feature. It's coated with enamel, meaning you won't have to spend time seasoning it. This is a huge plus for busy individuals. The excellent heat retention of this cast iron means your food will cook evenly, whether you're browning meat or slow stewing a hearty dish. Many users love how it doubles as a serving dish, thanks to its classic design and matching lid. Plus, with 4,000 plus units sold recently, it's clear many are finding value here. However, some reviews noted that it can chip if not handled carefully. I get it, that can be frustrating, but honestly, if you treat it well, you're going to have a solid piece that serves you for years. This is great for you if you value aesthetics as much as functionality in your kitchen. Skip this if you need something super rugged for outdoor cooking. For the price, it's a fantastic buy that combines style and utility. Product number 3. Lodge 5QT Double Dutch Oven. Coming in at number 3 is the Lodge 5-quart cast iron double Dutch oven, priced at $59.90. This one made waves for its unique feature. The lid doubles as a skillet. If you're looking for a multifunctional cooking tool, this one is worth considering. The pre-seasoned surface is a huge deal because it means you can start cooking right away without the hassle of seasoning from scratch. It's oven, grill, canifier, and stovetop safe, making it incredibly versatile for any cooking adventure. With thousands of units sold, it's clear that home cooks appreciate this flexibility. Plus, it's made in the USA, which is a big plus for many buyers. That said, some users mentioned that it can be quite heavy, which makes it hard to handle for some. But here's the thing. That weight actually helps with even heat distribution, which is essential for perfect cooking. This is ideal for you if you love the outdoors or want a pot that can do it all. Skip if you're looking for something lightweight for simpler tasks. It's a worthwhile investment for serious cooks. Product number 4. Overmont 5.5 QT Dutch Oven. At number 4, we have the Overmont Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven, which comes in at $44.99. This 5.5-quart pot impressed me with its vibrant cream white color and included accessories like a cookbook and cotton pot holders. If you're someone who enjoys experimenting with new recipes, this pot is a great companion. It's oven safe and perfect for a variety of cooking methods, from stews to baking bread. The enamel finish means you won't need to worry about seasoning, and cleaning is a breeze. Plus, it has a good size for both small and large meals, keeping your options open. Many users appreciate the thoughtful extras that come with it, making it a fun gift idea too. However, a few people pointed out that the enamel can scratch if not handled properly. Here's my take. As long as you use utensils that won't damage it, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and practical pot that comes with bonus accessories. Skip this one if you want something less delicate. It's a great value for both utility and fun. Now, if you're looking for something...
Product number 5, 2-in-1 cast iron Dutch oven pot. Lastly, we have the 2-in-1 pre-seasoned cast iron Dutch oven pot with skillet lid, priced at $39.79. The idea of having a pot and a skillet in one is super appealing, especially for those who want to save space in their kitchen. This 5-quart pot allows for versatile cooking, whether you're frying, baking, or just simmering your favorite dish. The skillet lid is a clever design that maximizes functionality, so you can enjoy different cooking methods without needing multiple pieces of cookware. It's also pre-seasoned, so you can start cooking right away, which is a huge plus for busy cooks. With 2,000 sold recently, it seems many appreciate this dual-purpose design. On the downside, some have noted that the skillet lid can be a bit heavy, but honestly, that added weight translates to better heat retention and cooking results, so it's not really a deal breaker for me. This is perfect for you if you have limited kitchen space and need multifunctional tools.
To recap, we've covered the Umait Chef for style and affordability, the Nuova for aesthetics and ease of use, the Lodge for versatility, the Overmont for fun accessories, and the 2-in-1 for space-saving efficiency. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Lodge 5-quart double Dutch oven because of its unparalleled versatility and practicality for serious cooks. The one to avoid? Honestly, I'd steer clear of the Overmont if you're rough on your cookware.